The next company has been launching devices and solutions which did not only catch my attention, but the attention of the whole industry. That is why I'm extremely happy to also announce the participation of Interra as a co-exhibitor at the KNX booth at ISE. Interra has a broad range of KNX products which can add the smart to any kind of home and building. But who better to give an explanation of Interra's products than Interra's global marketing manager, Mert? What have you prepared for us, Mert?
Hello everybody. This is Mert from Interra Technology. Today I will talk about a little bit Interra brand, and then we will present you the new products that we are working on and that we have finalized recently. So I want to start directly because I have a lot to talk here and I want to use my time correctly. So firstly, I want to start that with who we are. I'm sure that most of you already heard our names in the industry, but Interra Technology is an innovative technology company that develops software and hardware with R&D teams experienced in the field of intelligent building automation, especially in the KNX side. And our slogan is developer of uniqueness, which means that for each product that we are developing here, the first aim is we want it to be unique with its design and feature, and we want to make them differentiated between the other opposite KNX brands, So let me talk about our global appearance a little bit. We have our own offices right now in 29 countries, and we are running business activities is around 85 countries. And we have distributors and system integrators in 85 countries right now. And also we have some global R&D partnerships with some global brands. And also we are making some OEM production for them. And also we have some solution partnerships with the global brands in some regions. Okay, let's talk about our R&D center in Istanbul. Right now we have around 90 people here working for Interra, and we have around 450 Interra branded products in our product range. And we are reinvesting our 30% of our total turnover into the R&D again. And also we have 14 years of smart building experience in the industry. I want to talk about Interra Academy a little bit. Interra Academy is a team that we established in 2020 to improve the knowledge and the control of the technical side of our dealers. We are working to the global side mainly. So the main aim of Interra Academy is to keep our dealers active and teach them any improvements of the Interra products, give information about what's going on in our R&D, and also we collect information from the field to improve our product features. So this is the main focus of Interra Academy right now. And also they give Interra product trainings, and also they are involving the projects of our partners to be correct, to be sure that they apply the correct solutions to their projects to make it more cost efficient for them. As Interra, we have three main solutions: residence, hotels, and commercial solutions. And here you can see some projects, reference segments that we have already done in 10 years. And especially in most countries we are working with, we are the market leader in the residence sites. Interra has a very powerful background in the residence sites, especially in Turkey. We have around 70% market share. Okay, let's start with the upcoming KNX products that we want to release within a year. So most of them ready honestly right now. They are all the testing issues, and very soon we want to release them all. We have some really exciting products here. I want to start with our combo activator series, which is a multi-output module. This is the first product that Interra released in 10 years ago almost, and right now we have decided to redesign it from the scratch in accordance with today's technology and the software architecture to make updates easier in the future. And also with the renewing of this product, we want to add another series into our actuator series, which we call combo input-output module. Combo IO module will be released within this year with many different channel options, like, for example, 10 inputs and 20 outputs on it, or like this. It has inputs and outputs on it and can get digital contact information, and also can make all on-off controls, including fan coil, lighting and blind, etc. And this is the new KNX power supply series of Interra. Right now we have power supplies, but we have decided to change our power supply series from the scratch again to give it a new look, and we have also made some changes on the PCB design. And also right now, beside of the 100, 300, and 600 milliampere models, we are right now working with 100 and 2000 milliampere models, which is so excited for me. And also we are releasing a new multi-power supply, which has KNX power supply option plus 12-volt DC option on it. For example, on the hotel projects to supply the, for example, touch panels or DND modules. Okay, here is another exciting news that we finally finished our KNX sensor series with virtual card holder feature. As I know that there is one brand that has this feature in the world, and right now Interra is the second one. And we have 5 different sensors here: mid-range, mid-range plus, and wide range in the presence sensor series, and also KNX motion sensor series with high-bi and high-bi plus models. In here, you can see the range of the products. It has very good range, very good presence ranges from 11 meters to 80. I'm sorry, from 11 meters to 28 meters in presence sensors. For the motion sensors, we have 60 to 48 meters range. So it's very nice when we check the industry standards. And here you can see some technical details of these sensors. It has presence, brightness, and movement detections, and also it has internal and external temperature detections. So it has 4 independent configurable channels with constant light switch and constant light control application. And also it has 2 digital and 1 analog input on it, and can be configured as master or slave. And also the virtual card holder function for hotel room applications is available. I would like to talk in details about this feature, but we don't have that much time right now, so you can check more details in our website. Okay, the other new product that we will release within this year is the new universal dimmer actuator series of Interra. We have 2-channel and 4-channel options in this one, and it has 300 volts isolated channels with some inputs on it. It has 8 and 2 analog inputs are available on this one, and with these inputs on them, you can use this switch. You can use this dimmer as a conventional dimmer also, because it has also external electrical supply for 30 volts. So you can put a DC power supply on it to use as conventional dimmer. Also, it has on-site software updates. You can connect to this device with Ethernet connection directly. As you can see, the first range will be 2-channel and 4-channel options, 2-channel with inputs and 4-channel with inputs. In the second phase of this project, we are working on the Ethernet connection device. So this device will be available to be configured and controlled via embedded software in it. And also it will be controlled over IP with TCP socket. And also it will have active energy measurement and reporting feature. And also it will have a feature to record this consumption data on SD cards. Okay, this is the best news for me, honestly, because we finally managed to finish our KNX IP router project in our R&D. So this is the new IP router and IP interface series of Interra. It has multicast connection, and this multicast connection has on-off available options in it. And also it has 6 unicast connections on them. And also we have added it to remote software update and displaying connections info via the web feature. So here I want to talk about a little bit about our AC Gateway series. As you can see, we are providing AC gateways for a lot of brands, and this is the business that we have involved last year, I believe. And right now we are working on Bosch, Midea, and Toshiba gateways, which will be available in very soon. The other ones are still right now available, and we are getting very good feedback from the field. And it has bidirectional communication with the ACs directly, so which means that you can get or send any information from the AC unit to control and monitor it on your KNX bus. And these are the new input modules that we will add to our range very soon, which is a 12-channel input module. We will show this product in the fair, I believe, this next month. And also 8-channel binary input, which has a flush mounting style. And the 12th channel is for DIN rail mounting. Okay, I want to talk about a little bit about our thermostat room controller iSwitch. And from last year, we have decided to make some changes on iSwitch. And right now, iSwitch series are designed from the scratch in accordance with today's technology, like combo actuators. And all hardware on this product is completely redesigned with a mini monoblock system, and it has right now more easy implementation to the wall. As you can see here, we have new press feeling, new press sound on it. We have new mounting spring without scribbles, so you can directly put it into the wall. And we have changed the LED system of it to have a more homogenic coloring on the wall. Behind of the product, to be honest, the in front of the product will remain same, but we have made some changes on the look of the buttons also. Behind of the product is completely changed. We were selling it with body gateway. Right now, it's directly a monoblock system. So there are one digital and one analog inputs in the back of the product. And also, as you can see, there are programming buttons, software update pins, etc. This product will be released very soon. I hope this summer we may release this one. Okay, this is the new product that we are working on our R&D right now. The hardware side is already finished, but we are working the UI and UX side of this product right now. This is 4Touch, and it is a 4-inch super slim touch controller. I believe that this is a perfect product for especially hotels. It will directly work with ETS configuration without any external configurator, and also it will have USB software update feature. As you can see here, it has configurable main screen that you can use with 1 button, 2 button, or 8 buttons. It's up to you. And also the all KNX based controls can be done by 4Touch. For example, air conditioning, ventilator, RGB lighting, music, anything else. And it has some dry contact signal output for DND modules in the hotel projects. The best thing here is it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options, which means that, for example, when you get into the hotel room, you can directly control your room with a Bluetooth connection on your mobile phone. You can see the hardware features of this product. It has 5 sensors in it, and also it has 4-inch LCD on it, and 2 digital input, 2 analog inputs, and 1 relay output. And also it has buzzer feedback to give you feedback when you click on the buttons, etc. The most beautiful thing of this product is also it has the easy implementation like the iSwitch that I showed you. They have the same background. Okay, this is the most exciting product for me, honestly, because it's been a lot of years that we are using the same touch panel as Interra, and I believe that we all sold this product 100,000 or something like that. And this is new Interra touch panel series, which we call Interra 5. It will come with 10-inch and 7-inch models. Okay, it's an Android-based touch panel which has a multi-protocol integration to KNX or any other protocols. So also it will have direct BMS integrations, integrated to cloud system for global mobile control, and it has all KNX data points. It supports all KNX data points. And also in the configurator side of this product, it will have unlimited event-based programming engine, which you can use with drag and drop system. And also with this product, we are planning to release a new mobile application with the improved UX and UI design for Interra. And this product will have a voice control assistant in it. It's a we call it Hey Interra. So for example, when you get out from the home, you can directly say, "Hey Interra, run the goodbye scenario," and go to out directly. Interra will take care of the rest. Hey Interra is an offline voice assistant available in i5 Interra touch panels. It has multi-language support for Turkish and English right now, but in the future we are planning to add some other languages. And also, you don't need any other devices to use Hey Interra function than Interra touch panel. In the hardware design of this product, we created a new PCB with modular hardware design. So the brain and the carrier is on different PCBs, and anything happens in the field while implementing the product, the brain of the product will not be affected by it. So it will be much easier to make changes, etc. In the future for our integrator partners. This device will have 5 digital inputs and 2 analog inputs on it. It has PoE PCU and quad-core processor on it. It has 2 GB RAM and 8 GB SSD. Okay, let's check our other KNX products. As you can see here, I know that we don't have much time. This is why I don't get into the details of this product, but we have here Just Touch and Pure Touch series, which is the touch switch series of Interra. And also we have i7 Plus touch panel here. And we have KNX DALI Gateway series, which are very popular within our partners. And also IP control, KNX waterfall detectors, KNX binary inputs, line couplers, DMX gateway, other dimmer series than the universal dimmer, which will be released in this year, and also IR emitter. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for your time to listening to me today. To be honest, I didn't want to bore you with the details. We have a lot to say, and I would like to invite you to our ISA booth in KNX. So let's get back to the Christian.
Okay, thank you very much, Mert. That was a lot to digest. So I guess that when we want to learn more about your devices, you will have everything ready at the ISE fair. So I'm not going to talk about the devices that you presented. I actually have like a question about something else with which you started your presentation, because I think that this is something that we've not really seen before in any other presentation, or which is like really highlighted by any other manufacturer. I would like to get into detail of your Interra Academy. So you pointed out what kind of trainings you offer and the reason for it. I just wanted to ask, like, where does this idea actually come from starting the Interra Academy, respectively using training as a way of promoting your devices? Can you give us more information about that, please?
Of course. In the first place, in 2020, we have realized that without any education, system integrators doesn't focus on your brand. So and also they don't use your products that the way you designed. So this is the most important part for us. And then we have decided that we should train that people, and then they should learn all the details of these products that our R&D team knows. So they can use each unique features to create the best possible scenarios in their projects. And also right now, for example, I didn't mention it, but thank you for reminding this one again. As Interra Academy, for example, when you sign a new agreement with Interra, we invite you to Turkey to get 1 week 1 week education for our products here. So you are coming here, and for 5 days, 6 days, you are getting all day long classes from our team to learn all about the KNX details and the KNX products of Interra. So the main aim is to provide this training to our system integrators, and we saw that it has perfect results. I can say that it increased their sales 100%, 200%.
Nice. So I think this is definitely the way to go to, because as we also learned here in previous presentations, training is definitely one of the most important
This is
pillars
essential for everyone.
for training. In terms of knowledge also, I would just like quickly ask you, this has to go quick. On your website, you pointed out that you are very proud of your research and development team, and that pretty much knowledge is the key to success. You've also pointed this out with your devices. I think this is also like the reason why you have this broad range of devices. Can you give us like a little hint where your research and development journey is heading
to? Our research and development center is in Istanbul right now, and also this is where we make the production and and everything in one building. We have around 8-floor building here in Istanbul. Right now we have around 40 people, I believe, in our R&D team, and we have embedded software engineers and hardware engineers working all day long on our KNX products, and all the how can I say? All we want is to create the full KNX range of Interra as soon as possible we can.
All right. So you're not only focusing on one area, you're actually focusing on the whole range of KNX.
Exactly. Because the Interra's powerful thing is the project business, and when we get involved to any project, we want to supply every product of KNX with just one brand. That's our main aim.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Mert. For more information, of course, visit Mert at the ISE booth, respectively at the KNX booth at ISE, because I think that there is definitely a lot of more information waiting for you. Thank you very much, Mert, and we move on to the next presentation.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.